Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Facebook. There are two ways how to actually go about doing this. One is that if you have the person's friend on Facebook, you can just find them under your contacts, click on their name, then from their chat, you can simply click and you will be able to find block from on the lower part of these many options, right? And you can click here and then you'll be taken into this window where you can just simply say block from messages or call or just simple block on Facebook. Whichever one that you choose, you can easily do that from here. Now, alternatively, if you want to block someone, just simply click your account on the upper right hand side, then click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and type in blocking from here. So just simply type in the search there, blocking, and you will find the blocking options. Click there. And from here, just simply click on block profiles and pages. Click on edit and you can add to the block list by simply click on add to block list. And from here, you can search for the person profile. So let's say I type in Andrew. I will be able to see it. And of course, it's going to show me a whole lot, and not only do I find people who are not my friends, but it will also show everyone, even people in your block, in your friend list as well. So just simply click on block, then click on confirm, and that's it. Block person. And as I said, you saw there that you don't have to really block people who you're friends with. You can also search for people who you're not friends with anymore or never and just block them as well. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and block someone on Facebook, guys.